Some useful routines to make thinking visible are, for example, see, think, and wonder, because you're going to look at something, imagine how it works, and actually have a discussion in class and wonder if it can be applied in a different context. You can also think of claim, support, and challenge, for example. So you want to say something about a structure that you learned, you'll try to find support for that claim, and then you can challenge that to see if it's something that could be used in a different situation as well. And the other one could be, I used to think, but now I think. So when you learn something and you change your mind, you can go back and say, well, this in my mind used to be applied here, but now it's actually applied here. So those are three very useful routines you can use. The types of output that can make our students make their learning visible so that we can see, they have to do with graphic organizers, platforms in which they can actually post comments and images and things that they are doing, e-portfolios, for instance. So we can actually look at the evidence that they are engaging with the materials and then producing something. So you can think of Canva, you can think of Animaker, Powtoon, anything that makes whatever is in their minds more concrete for you to be able to see and tell, well, they are learning, in fact.